wiggity. Woulda came back for you. Nope. I just needed time to do what I had to. Caught in the line. I can't let it go. Come on, man. You know what's going on, man. Then it's right. Damn, my homeless ass, man. My homeless ass, man. My homeless ass. Pull up in the drop top chicken box. BBS in the watch. Hold on, I'm finna go mention G's. Nigga watch me, you gotta mention me. Caught in the life, I can't let it go. Dead homies, it's my house, bitch. Up. 2-1. 2-1 dead. 2-1 dead. Cause it's right. I can't let it go. Whether it's right, I won't let her know. Well, here it goes. Pull up in the brand new chicken box. BBS is up in the watch. Niggas be bitches. Whether it's right, I can't let it go. Big shit, you hear me? Big shit, you hear me? Big shit, you hear me? My house bigger than you. My closet is bigger than your room. Big shit, nigga. Ooh, ooh. Mention me, man. Mention G's. You gotta mention me. Just spank the nigga with baby A. You gotta mention me. Hey, the biggest G. Biggest G. I got dance moves. Dance moves. One of them is skip in like 22. Hey, gotta rep the team. Hey. Hey, I got dance moves. Hey. Hey. I got dance moves. Hey. Hey, hold on. Hey. Hey. Hold on. Hold on. Computer, nigga hit the middle with this, like. I got dance moves, so like you like 22? Like introduce. Put the shoe. He ain't got fully on this chop. He ain't gonna stick and move. Hey. Try how you like 32? Want to rep the hood, bitch? You gotta rep the news. Pop dough, Nightingale niggas freaks. I'm the one in the city. When they diss, they mention me. Pop dough, ARP, we gon' creep. Do you hear the words coming out my mouth? You got 48 hours to come get your sign back. You have 48 hours, nigga. Come get your motherfucking sign back, gang. 48 hours. Don't pass the gun line, boss. Don't pass the gun line, boss. at Obies. I am 22. Hell nah, brother. I'm poor over here. I ain't got nothing going on. Where my dog at? Don't pass the gun line, boss. Don't you come in here. Why you coming here playing with them people? Now, why you coming here playing with them people? Yeah. Get your ass up. Get your bitch ass out of here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This should be fun. You know what I'm saying? It's good when you having money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's good to have money. Hold on, I'm finna go hit my Fortnite dance with the Nightingales on. I'm finna go hit my Fortnite dance. Y'all talking about refrigerator. Everybody get food stamps, bro. That ain't even nothing to talk about, bro. We talking about the fridge. I get food stamps, gang. You feel what I'm talking about? I get like 1,000 food stamps, brother. Like food, that ain't nothing. The fuck is food stamps? I mean, food in the fridge. Come on, brother. Everybody get them. Come on, gang. Hold on. Top G's, want to mention me? You got to mention me. Hit a try nigga. He ain't go to sleep. Hey, how you not done to sleep? What they be doing? Rock your hips. Hey. I ain't know how you not stand over him. Hit him in the make him go to sleep. Hey, how you still right there? Hey. Yeah, I'm poor. I'm poor, y'all. On the real. Hey, how you still around there? You like 20? Oh, hey. Freak bitch. I'm gonna show her how to stick and move. Hey. I ain't get this one for no screwdriver, brother. I ain't gonna lie. Look, you can tell this ain't come off with no screwdriver, brother. I yanked this bitch. You feel me? We yanked this shit, brother. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, you want to rep the hood? You got it in. You want to stick and move? Hey. Go. Go. Go, Leaky. Go. Go, Leaky. Go. Go. Go, Leaky. Go. Go, Leaky. Go. Go. Go, Leaky. Go. Go, Leaky. Go. Go. Go, Leaky. They be bad at B, boy. Hold on. Go, Leaky. Go, Leaky. Go, Leaky. Go, Leaky. I'm off here though, man. Y'all funny, man. Fake Street niggas pop my tires, bro. We ain't worried about them, bro. Them niggas baby mamas, bro. Them niggas got my drop and pop my tires, bro. I'm tired of beefing with bitches. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I don't even mention them niggas. They popping niggas tires and shit. You feel what I'm saying? Niggas making fake pages. Like, you on a fake page? It's probably that nigga on the fake page that popped the nigga tire. Come on, gang. Get up with me. God damn it. Fuck fakes, nigga. Y'all know it's fuck y'all. Fuck wrong with you? I ain't gotta keep saying fuck y'all. Y'all know the truth. Don't pass the gun line, boss. Don't pass the gun line, boss. Yo, I'm in the house. I just got here, my boy. I'm finna leave again, matter of fact, though. You feel what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get a bitch to get my dick sucked. On the real. Oh, man, I'm just trying to get a bitch to get my dick sucked. What that song say? And I get tired with me. What you say? What'd you say? I'm gonna leave again, just trying to get a bitch to get my dick. Whoa, this nigga. See, I'm finna go to the biddy. Oh my God. I can't order no food, brother. I'm broke. I'm broke, but I ain't got nothing. I'm starving like Marvin from the next Dixon Gardens. You hear me? I ain't gonna lie. I'm tired of going back and forth with y'all. I'm off here, brother. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all like bullshit. You feel me? Y'all like bullshit. Like bullshit. Stop being in here talking so crazy. Y'all like bullshit. Yeah, I'm broke, brother. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't go back and forth with real ops. Like, you feel me? We really see them, man. We really, like, you feel me? Space shit. Like, this rapper beef, I don't give a fuck about. Feel what I'm talking about? But a real op is, I'm not. Like, we ain't even gonna play them games. You feel what I'm talking about? So, that's why I don't show them niggas no attention. Niggas got my little pop tires. You feel what I'm saying? They need to pop a life. Nigga, don't pop a tire. Nigga, pop a life, bitch. You feel me? That's why I don't show them niggas no attention. Why would I show a nigga that do baby mama shit? Why are we talking about nigga that do baby mama shit? He ain't even nobody from over there. Feel what I'm saying? But we gonna leave that. We gonna leave that where it's at. We gonna leave that where it's at. Hey. Nigga say he chased me, he ain't chasing nothing but clout, nigga. But it's good though. Yeah, I'm in the Airbnb. I've been having this Airbnb for like 2 years. On the real. How you doing? Anna, how you 22? Hey. Nah, I'm broke, brother. I ain't gonna lie, this Airbnb. This Airbnb, brother. I'm off here though.